Meaning of mandolin.
Mandolin. Mandolin.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A stringed musical instrument with a pear-shaped body and a fretted neck, played by plucking the strings with the fingers or a plectrum. 2. A similar instrument such as the lute or banjo used in various cultures. Examples. 1. She played a lively tune on her mandolin at the folk festival. 2. The bluegrass band featured a mandolin player who wowed the crowd with his virtuosic solos. Verb. Definitions. 1. To play a mandolin, especially in a skillful or elaborate way. 2. To make a bright ringing sound like that of a mandolin. Examples. 1. The musician mandolined a stunning solo during the concert. 2. The wind chimes mandolined in the gentle breeze, adding to the serenity of the garden. Note, the verb forms of mandolin are less common and more colloquial, and might not be recognized by all dictionaries or language resources.
Mandolin. Mandolin.